Good morning, dear children. We are on chapter 2 and exercise 2.4, and we have completed up to question number 4, and now we have to start question number 5. So I am directly come to question number 5. Now question number 5 is Shobo's mother's present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. Shobo's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. What are their present ages? We have to find out the present ages of Shobo's and his mother, and we have some relations. So on work out these relations we will find out. So let Shobo's present age be x. Let Shobo's present age be x. Now Shobo's mother's present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. If Shobo's present age be x, what is her mother's age? So her Shobo's age is 6x according to the question, because she is 6 times older than Shobo's present age. Now Shobo's is 5 years from now. So after 5 years, it means x plus 5. Shobo's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age, is equal to his mother's 1/3 of his mother's present age, and mother's present age is 6x, and 1/3 means 1/3. Clear? Now this is the equation. So x plus 5 is equal to 2x, because 3. Clear? So take it 5. So 5 is equal to 2x minus x. It means x is equal to 5 years. So Shobo's present age be x, and x is 5 years. So Shobo's present age is 5 years, and Shobo's mother's age is 6 into 5. It means 30 years. Okay, let's come to the next question. Now students, question number 7. Hassan buys 2 kinds of cloth material for school uniform. Shirt material that cost him rupees 50 per meter, and the trouser material which cost him 90 rupees per meter. For every 3 meter of shirt material, he buys 2 meter of trouser material. It means for one shirt 3 meter, and for one trouser 2 meter. He sells the material at 12% and 10% profit respectively. He sells the material at 12% and 10% profit respectively. His total sale is rupees 36,600. Remember, total sale with profit. How much trouser material did he buy? Now you have to find out the length of the trouser material did he buy. So first of all, let the length of the materials be x. We don't know the material length. We have to find out the how much length for trouser material he buys. So let the length of the material be x, both trouser and shirt. Now ratio between shirt material and trouser material is given, that every shirt he buy 3 meter, and for trouser 2 meter. So it means 3:2. The trouser material is 3:2. And we are assuming that the length of the material be x, so it is become 3x is to 2x. Now the cost of shirt material is, we know that 50 rupees per meter is the cost of shirt material. So 50 into 3x, because 3 meter. So 50 into 3x, 150x. Now whatever in question it is given over there, that 12% profit in shirt material, in shirt. So 12% of 150, and that is 12% means 12 upon 100 into 150, that is 18. So it is 150 plus 18. 150 is the cost and 18 is the profit, 12%. So it becomes 168x. Now, just like same, we have to find out the cost of trouser with profit. So, and the cost of trouser material is 90 rupees per meter. So 90 into 2 because 2x. So 180x, and profit given in trouser is 10%. With 10% profit, so we already know that 10%, 180, 10% of 180 is 18. It's simple. So I have directly written 180 plus 18, that is 198x. Now students, according to the question, his total sale is 36,600. 36,600. It means, so according to question, 168x plus 198x is equal to 36,600, because this is the total sale, and the total shirt material with profit, total trouser material with profit, we have to add, and then this is the total sale. Now solve this and find the value of x. 168 and 198, when you add, it is 366x is equal to 36,600, and x is equal to 36,600 divided by 366, and it is 100, because one time. So the value of x is, and at the very start, in the beginning, we assume that the length of the material be x and the trouser material is per trouser 2 meter. So the length of the trouser material, he purchases 2x, means 2 into 100, and that is 200 meter. Clear? If you want to find out the length of shirt, you can easily find, that is 300 meter. Come to the next question. Now student, question number 9. A grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 54 years old. Find their present ages. So let the present age of granddaughter is x years. So grandfather's age is 10x years, because he is 10 times older, and according to the question, he is also 54 years older than his granddaughter. So if we have to create an equation, 10x is equal to x plus 54. Why x plus 54? Because if you have to put this sign, equality, you have to add 54's here to the granddaughter's age, then the both are equal. Clear? Now just solve this. So 10x minus x is equal to 54. Transpose the position of x to the left hand side, it will, because it is plus here, so it becomes minus. Now 9x is equal to 54, and x is equal to 54 divided by 9, and that is 6 years. It means the granddaughter's age is 6 years. So find their present ages. The granddaughter's age is 6 years. So grandfather's age, six into 10, because he is 10 years older, 10 times older, sorry, 10 times older, so 6 into 10, and that is 60 years. Clear? So rest of the question of this exercise is your homework. So this exercise complete. We will start exercise 2.5. Now student, exercise 2.5, question number 1. Now these are very simple equations, linear equation you have to solve. These are in the form of fractions. Now see, first question is x upon 2 minus 1 upon 5 is equal to x upon 3 plus 1 upon 4. Now they are both sides. In LHS or RHS, the variable and the constant is there. So we have to do one thing, that take the variables one side and the constant on the other side. So x upon 3, take it here, so x by 2 minus x upon 3, because it is plus here. So when it comes over left hand side, it becomes minus. So x by 2 minus x upon 3. Now 1 by 4 is already there. Minus 1 upon 5, when it comes to the right hand side, it is plus 1 upon 5. Now we have two fractions, same type of fractions. 2 and 3, take it LCM as 6. 2 3s are 6 and 3 into x, 3x. 3 2s are 6 and 2 into x, 2x. In there, minus sign is there, so 3x minus 2x upon 6. Now come to right hand side, 4 and 5. LCM is 20. 4 5s are and 5 into 1, 5. 5 4s are, 4 into 1, 4. Now 3x minus 2x, x upon 6, and 5 plus 4, 9 upon 20. Now we have to find out the value of variable, so leave x here, take it 6 to the right hand side, because it is dividing here. So when it comes over from left to right, it becomes multiply, so 9 into 6 upon 20. Now solve it, 2 3s are 6 and 2 10s are 20, 9 3s are 27, so 27 upon 2. So this is the value of x, 27 upon 2. That's it. It's very easy then. Now just like this, question number 3, x plus 7 minus 8x upon 3 is equal to 17 upon x minus 5x upon 2. Whatever we have done in question number 3, just we have to do this. Take the variable one side and the constant another side. So x minus 8 upon 6, 8x upon 3 and minus 5x upon 2, when it takes come over here, plus 5x upon 2 is equal to 17 upon 6 and here plus 7, so it will minus 7. Now take as a denominator 1 to subtract. Now 1, 3 and 2, so the LCM is 6. Now 1, 6 is 6 and 6 into x, 6x, 3 2s are 6, 2 8s are 16x, and the sign is minus. Now here sign is plus, so put plus here. Very careful about sign. 2 3s are 6 and 3 5s are 15x. Now come here, 6 and 1, so LCM will be 6. 6 1s are 6, 1 into 17, 17, and 1 6 are 6 and 6 into 7, 6 7s are 42, so minus sign is there, so minus 42. Now minus 16x plus 15 plus 6, so 15 plus 6 21, minus 16 it is 5x. Now 5x upon 6 is equal to 17 minus 42 is minus 25 upon 6, because negative integer, the value of absolute value of negative integer is greater, so it will minus 25 upon 6. Now x is equal to 5 by 6, 5 is multiplying, so it will come to divide, and 6 is divide, so it comes over to multiply. So 25 into 6 upon 5 into 6, 6 is cancelled with 6, 5, 25 divided by 5, so 5 times, and the sign minus is here, so x is equal to minus 5. Clear? Next we will discuss in the next